Hey, what's up you guys? I'm back doing another action figure unboxing video. Today I've got 3 more packages in from eBay, and I'm going to be going through them with you. 2 of them are the same figure, but a couple of different accessories between the 2 of them, and one is going to be, and those are also loose figures, the other one is going to be in the package. So I guess I'll start with the smallest one here. Oh shit, this looks so good. So, I've got the first 10 years Red Skull, which I did just get, but this head sculpt looks to be in better condition than that one, as well as it has more of the accessories. So, I'm basically just army building this guy right now. Yeah, the other one, oh shit. The other one that I got, I immediately put onto my What If Red Skull. I think it looks great. However, there's just a little bit of paint that's bothering me on the top of the head. And this one looks like it came out a little cleaner. So I'm just going to go ahead and swap these. But actually first, before I do that, because I think that's the one I'm going to end up with having on there. This pack came with an other Red Skull, which I believe... Okay, I'm not sure which version this is. Clearly a comic version. But it looks really good. So I guess I'll swap out the one that's slightly paint damaged. Try on this comic one. I think this might be from the Onslaught, but I'm not sure. Okay, and it doesn't really peg on there. But if you wanted like a comic kind of Red Skull, you could maybe do that. See how it looks on this body, the suited body. It also doesn't peg on that one, but I think that looks better than the trench coat. Probably not going to use it. I just kind of, it was a nice bonus to see. And then yeah, here you can see the 2 skulls right next to each other. And the one just has like some paint right on the forehead. I tried getting it off, but I couldn't get it. So I'm going to put the nicer one on there now. The eyes look about the same, a little bit fuzzy. There we go. I think that looks good. And then the neck is a really bright red, so I just kind of I shifted his head down so he's looking right down at the cube, and then from the angle you can't really tell. I think that looks great. So that'll be how I'm keeping that one. And now let's check out the Hydra accessories that he came with. So I've got the Hydra body again. 2 skulls. And this one came with the vest. It's like a nice soft plastic to go over. And then I'm going to make this one the flamethrower guy. Because this one actually came with the 3 heads that the first 10 years Red Skull is supposed to come with, as well as a bonus one. So that's why I got it. It was like a really good deal. So you just thread that on there, and then it attaches. It's like a little peg in a hole. You just peg it in there, and then now he's got the vest on. So I'm going to go through the head sculpts it came with. So this one is the one I have over there. It's like open mouth, closed top of the head. This one is a fully closed. And then this one, also open mouth, but it's slightly different than this one. I guess I'll show them all next to each other. Yes, these are really cool. Now that he's got the vest on. Oh, I thought it came with the gun. This one didn't come with the gun. So that's a bit unfortunate. But I'm going to put this head on here. The fully closed one. He's got the vest. And then, yeah, once I get a flamethrower, he can be a part of the Hydra army that I'm building. Okay. And I guess I'll just put these heads up here for now. Leave that garbage down there. And I'll leave these ones up here as well, since I'm going to maybe be needing them. So here is package number 2. Let's crack this thing open, see what's inside. Carefully. Okay. And that's just packaging. Packaging. Okay. It's a lot of packaging. I just want to make sure those are all empty. It's all just like balls of paper, I guess. Okay. At least they tried to make sure it didn't come in damaged. So, and I have another First 10 Years Red Skull. This guy's actually really cheap on eBay. That's why I picked up so many of them. Oh, this head sculpt looks even better. It's got even more of a black wash. I think I might end up using this one now. Damn. Yeah, I think that one is slightly cleaner than this one. It's just got more marbling. Like, the one I have on there is more, like, dark. And then this one's got the paint splotchy. So I think I might swap this out again for this new. Well, I don't know. It definitely looks splotchier. I think this pure dark one might be more movie accurate, though, because it was pretty dark in the movie. Well, I'm going to take it off of here anyway, because I want the soldier head. So this one did come with the weapon. Looking very nice, that flamethrower. As well as another vest. So, maybe because there's 2 with vests. Oh, and this one also came with an extra gripping hand. Does that mean he's got 2? Yeah, so he's got a right hand trigger finger, which it was missing, or the left side trigger finger, because he was only having the gripping hand. So that's nice. I finally got that variation, in case I want to have a Red Skull dual wielding something. But I guess I'll set this all up with the 2 open masks and the vest, because there's 2 of those, so that will at least make sense. I wanted the one with the fully closed to be the flamethrower guy, but we'll have to compromise based off of the accessories given. So there we go. Open mask for 1. I guess we'll pop the other one. I don't know, whatever. Okay, open mask. That looks good. Open mask, but I'm going to add a vest. Should be one. Did I only get 1 vest so far? Oh, fuck. Okay, you know what? I'll just unbox and then I'll set everything up after. Because I'm going to take some fine-tuning to decide how I want these guys now. So I'll put the new head sculpt up there. Piling back in. Okay. Got slightly distracted, but that wasn't too bad. Oh, and okay, so I got 1 more head. I could have swore I got 2 vests. Because I clipped one on. I thought I clipped two on. Oh yeah, they're both on there. I'm just blind. Okay. So I've got 2 open face head sculpts of the same. Well, 3, because I have one over there. Oh, fuck. I'm doing very bad at this unboxing video. 2 open face sculpts. 2 more open face sculpts. Yeah, so I got 2 smooth face sculpts, 2 textured open face sculpts, and then 2 of the fully closed face sculpts, as well as now 3 MCU Red Skull face sculpts and 1 comic Red Skull MCU face sculpts. Jesus, tongue twisters. Okay, and I got 2 Hydra weapons and 2 vests. And 1 hand. Okay, final package. It's getting to be a long video. Oh, and here we have in package Kitty Pryde from the Juggernaut Build-A-Figure. I got the Juggernaut Build-A-Figure piece in here. It comes with an extra Magneto face sculpt, as well as Lockheed and Kitty Pryde herself. Fun fact about this X-Men, I named my third cat after this X-Men, KP, Kitty Pryde. My Kitty Pryde Enjoy. So this figure holds a special place in my heart. Once I get her unpackaged, I'll do a review of her. Stay tuned for that. Hit the notification bell, hit the like button if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button so you stay tuned to everything Marvel Legends coming from me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.